Hey everyone, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel, girl. How y'all doing? What's up? I missed you guys so much. How's life? How's the wife? How's the kids? How's the husband? How's the girlfriend? How's the boyfriend? How's everybody? How's the dog? How's grandma? I feel like I haven't sat down and spoken to you guys probably in almost a year, if not a year. I have been doing vlogs. I have not been really doing sit-down videos, but guess who's back? Back again. Jess is back. Tell a friend. And she has like really cute hair. But if you guys didn't see it from the title below, this is going to be a relaxer update. It's going to be really simple. The first one of the year. I really want to get back into doing these. I will give you the whole spiel and everything once we get into the video. But let's first start out with, if you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica. I upload vlogs, lifestyle, hair, all types of content here on my channel. We're really going to get into it this year, girl. Going to get down into the nitty gritty of life, love, everything. But if you are down for the ride, definitely subscribe to my channel down below. It's nothing but up from here, and I am so excited for the journey. But like I said, today's video is going to be a relaxer update. It's going to kind of be where my hair has been, where I've been on my journey, and everything of the sort. So if you guys want to hear what's been going on with my hair, let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, boo. So let's get into the hair. Obviously, we've had some growth, which we love to see. So we're working with almost like armpit length. Almost. It's definitely past my collarbones because my collarbones are up here. So we're working with a lot. Like, she looks really good or whatever. So let me tell you what has been going on. So last year, I want to say September, August, I got a sew-in weave, which was literally the best thing I've ever done for my hair. I got it done by one of my friends' mom, my friend's boyfriend's mom was, she actually did my relaxer a few times. I was kind of nervous because I literally have not gotten a relaxer done by someone else since I was literally in middle school. And I am now 27, so I was very, very nervous. She did a really good job. I loved it. And then, honestly, I really didn't see any difference in my hair because, honestly, it was braided up under the extensions. So it really wasn't anything that I dealt with on a regular basis because my hair was in the braids under the weave. So I just left my hair alone. One thing that I will say is I'm going to get another sew-in in the next month or two, just because it was so amazing for my hair, and I literally kept it in for like 4 months, 3-4 months, and my hair, like, this is how much length I got and growth, and my hair is so strong and healthy. But I think I am going to do a full head sew-in. Before, she left out the perimeter of my hair, and I don't know if you guys will be able to tell, but I do have breakage on the perimeter of my hair, which really is unfortunate because, like, I feel like sometimes that's the hardest place for my hair to grow, if that makes sense. But I have length in the back. I'll show you guys the back. So as you guys can see, it's really, really healthy, really strong, super thick, and, you know, it feels so good. Like, my hair hasn't felt this way, like, since I was, like, a child when, like, my mom was taking care of my hair, honestly. So I feel really, really good about, like, the health and length of my hair, besides the just, like, perimeter sections, if that makes sense. So I definitely want to do a full head sew-in where, like, literally just, like, this much of my hair is out. But so that'll be coming soon. But I do want to just, like, before I put my hair back up into the braids and everything, definitely take care of my hair, because I feel like I haven't, like, touched my hair in so long. It's, like, crazy. But I definitely want to take care of the health of my hair before I go right back into the extensions. So what am I doing right now? Right now, I have been wearing a U-part wig from Shop Love Me Hair, I believe it is, and it's the best thing ever. It's literally like just like a sew-in. Like, I just pop it on every day, leave out the middle section of my hair, and I'm good to go. I just kind of braid down my hair into two little French braids, and I oil it throughout the week, and I sleep in a satin scarf throughout the week, and that's really what I've been doing. Like, I haven't really had my hands in my hair, like I said. I've just been washing it with my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil line. If you guys have been here for a long time, you know that that is like my favorite line ever. When I was first starting out on my hair care journey, that is the line that I used, and that is, I feel like, what I owe my growth to, because it really is just like the perfect combination for my hair, as well as the Care color treated shampoo and conditioner line. That has also changed my hair as well for the better. So I really wasn't taking care of my hair as well as I should have when I was when I have the extensions in. I mean, like, the perimeter of my hair, I kind of was just like, I have extensions in. What do I need to worry about my hair for? You know, I wasn't oiling my scalp. You know, I was just kind of washing it and not really like applying like deep conditioner the way I should have. So it was honestly kind of on my part, because like it was like summertime and then it was winter time, and like you don't want to go out with a wet head during the winter time. So it was just like a whole conglomerate of things. Sis was going through a lot as well, because, you know, I wasn't uploading. So I was going through a lot personally, mentally, so like everything kind of took a back burner, including my hair. So I'm happy that I had it in the sewing, because I don't know if I would have had it in me to take care of my hair every day. But yeah, so I just been wearing the U-part wig, the V-part wig, and honestly I've just been using clip-in extensions as well, and just kind of like leaving it alone and just moisturizing and sealing and just, you know, being gentle with my hair, not really worrying about it, but also worrying about it, if that makes sense. So I will get into the details of the relaxer now. No, my hairstylist, I have been going to her since I was in middle school. She actually recently, last year, moved to Florida, which is another reason why I got the sewing, because I didn't want to deal with my hair and deal with not having a relaxer. I really did think about going natural for a period of time, just because I thought, like, you know, I don't know the next time that my hairstylist would be back. So I was like, you know, like, let me see like what my hair could do like natural. But I ended up just getting the sewing, because being natural kind of scares me. Which I'm really thankful for that I did. So my hairstylist came back a week ago today. Today is the 13th when you're watching this. So I got my hair done on the 12th. No, the 5th. I'm sorry. Yesterday was the 12th. I got my hair done February 5th. And so it's been like a week and a day. So it's been like 8 days. This is what we're working with. I'm actually going to wash my hair today, and I'm going to dye it like a chocolate brown. So we'll see how that goes, girl. Because I didn't get my hair dyed this last time, because usually I get it dyed black, because I love my hair black. That's just my personality. But I'm going to do a nice little chocolate brown, see what we're working with, see how sis goes or whatever. But yeah, so she used the Affirm Relaxer once again, which is the relaxer that works best on my hair. She used just one tub this time, I think sometimes she uses two, because my hair is thick, girl. It might not look like it now because it's relaxed, but when my new growth comes in, it is thick and dense and like very hard to moisturize. But I pre-poo deep condition. Like, I really try to keep my new growth moisturized, because that's the only way it's manageable for me personally. So she used the Affirm Relaxer. She clarified it, washed it, put deep conditioner in, set it, blow dried it, and I sat under the hooded dryer for like an hour or so, and that was it. Like every other relaxer day. That's why I kind of stopped filming these, because I'm like, literally, it's the same thing over and over again. Like, it's really just like the length check that we're interested in. Like, I know, but I still wanted to bring this to you guys because I know I haven't been on in such a long time talking about my hair. So speaking of where I want to go from here with my hair journey, I definitely want, obviously, growth, but I want health as well. My hair right now is so healthy and just... I know it doesn't look like it right now because honestly it needs to be washed and it's a little dry because I didn't want it to be like super weighed down when I came to show you guys. But the health of my hair right now is amazing. I mean, like, edges, boo, come through the swoop, gang. So I definitely want to maintain this health and this length. Obviously, you know, health over length, but I think I can definitely build off of this length that I have, and by the end of the year, maybe we'll be like, you know, nipple length. So I don't know, but I definitely want to maintain the health of my hair. Like I said, I definitely am going to get a full head sewn because my hair grew so much and so well with having the sewing in, and now that I've had one and I know what my hair likes during it and what my hair doesn't like, I think that my hair will grow even more with it. So I think that that is going to be my next option. But up until then, like I said, I want to take care of my hair. I'm definitely going to post a wash day routine for you guys because I know how much you guys love those, as well as some deep conditioner reviews. I used to do like Mask Mondays and try out all like these different deep conditioners, which was so fun for me. It's just hard now because I do work some Sundays, and it's just difficult to film them when I work all day on a Sunday, like 9 to 5. So I just have to work out my schedule personally before I bring that content to you guys. I don't know why I'm saying guys like that. Guys. But yeah, so that's really it when it comes to my hair. Like I said, the health is doing really well. It's really strong, really healthy, just thick and luscious. Like, I feel like this is the best my hair has looked after a relaxer in a while. I'm so thankful to my best friend's mom, my mother-in-law, for doing my hair and doing, you know, everything. Like, it's amazing. So I went to the Bronx to do that, but my hairstylist came back and I was like, girl, I need like a good like home style relaxer. You know, like, you can go out to eat, go out, you know, do your thing, but you want like a home cooked meal every once in a while. And that's how I feel with my hairstylist. I'm just like, girl, you know what to do. You know my hair. Do what you gotta do. So that's why I am so happy. My hair looks so good. So good. So I'm actually getting ready to wash it now. I was going to do a post relaxer wash day, but I don't know if I'm going to do all that because I might wash it in the shower, to be completely honest with you. But yeah, guys, that is it for my relaxer update number 1 for 2022. I'm just going to start this series over, honestly, because like now I feel like my hair journey is really like going to be on and popping. Shout out Chris Brown. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. If you're not already, share this video with a friend, share it with a foe, and make sure that you comment down below. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you in my next one very soon. Bye!